Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Twisted Word Show. And we are back with yet another video. The couple of videos following this one are going to be very related and quite interesting. More about which Mariana will tell you right now.
Hi, everybody. Yes, so today we're going to start a series of talks on one topic, really, is and it is to generate new ideas for for stories. So if you ever find yourself without ideas, you know, hopefully we can help.
Exactly. Okay. So the topic for this video, for this particular video, for the idea generation tips that we have is going to be to explore your personal experiences. And before starting this video, we were discussing what the first tip for the video is going to be. And we decided on this one because it is quite absurd to say that you haven't had any personal experiences. So,
Yeah, absolutely.
so that's why we thought this would be the perfect choice. Mariana, please help us get started.
Yes, so if you think back, I mean, think back as far as you can. And think of anything significant that ever happened in your life. It could be anything, good or bad. Um, and take that situation or scenario and put characters in that setting and see where it goes. I mean, it doesn't have to be a memoir but that's a starting point. Um,
Yes,
so something happened and put your characters in that situation and see where it leads you.
because for you in that situation, it was you initially, you were the one over there with your own personal character states,
Yeah.
character characteristics, no, character trait.
Yes. Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and but then what you can do is you can have different other people, other characters from your story with different character traits and how they are
Yes.
going to react in that situation and how that's going to evolve. Additionally, it also comes down to emotion. Am I not right, Mariana?
Yes, exactly. And then if you write about something where you have a strong feeling about what had happened, um, you will find it almost if it's something bad, you might feel very exhausted afterwards after writing that scene or story, but it's rewarding if I can put it that way. But if it's something that makes you very happy when you think about it, um, what if you have a character who doesn't like nice stuff to happen? How would that play out? Like, try different views and perspectives and see. Um, and I think the stronger you feel about what you're writing about, the more detail you'll give.
Yes.
You will be. Mm,
And also
I
that,
wanted to say,
yeah,
sorry, Yash.
no, you continue.
You will be able to remember how you felt. You'll remember the smell, the sounds. So it will be more vivid, and you can build something around that.
And also the most important thing, originality. That story,
Yes, yes,
that story which came from your personal experience is going to be so original and so authentic, and that originality will lead to a stronger connection of the writer, that is you, with
yeah,
the reader, and
yeah,
that's
and
just beautiful.
and I mean, you can write it as a memoir if you want to, but it doesn't have to be that. It can be pure fiction, but just a starting point
Exactly.
from your own experience.
Yes, and it doesn't necessarily have to be that particular experience from, like, it doesn't have to be exactly that. Not the characters need not
Yeah,
experience the same thing, maybe
yeah,
just the same emotion behind it, or maybe the same lesson that you learned from it,
yes,
maybe the same whatever that you get. So essentially, let that be the inspiration for the work that you
yes,
wish to create.
yes. And just show how your character grows from that point to the finish line when you're done with
Absolutely.
your manuscript.
Absolutely. How that experience changed you. Let that
Yes,
be the case for the character that you're writing the story for.
yes, exactly, exactly.
And that was what we wanted to share. We hope that you liked it. See you in the next video where we'll be sharing the next tip. So thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye bye, everyone.